This short video presentation, and this one really will be short, is about solving equations. And a kind of nice thing about this is going to lead right up to our review for the semester exam, because this is one of the big parts of our exam, is solving equations. All right, first thing you would try to do is factor this. I'm not going to waste our time. This is unfactorable. So now we're going to go back to our quadratic equation, which should be memorized. So we have x equals opposite of b plus or minus, what is it? Try to write it without me saying it. Square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And the one thing that people forgot or didn't deal well with is this plus minus. Make sure that is definitely in between the opposite of b and the radical. Don't put it up here. It's right here just like this. So x is equal to the opposite of b, 3, plus or minus the square root of b squared, negative 3 squared is 9, minus 4 times 2 times 6, all over 2 times 2. Or 3 plus or minus the square root of 9 minus 48 over 4, or 3 plus or minus the square root of negative 39 over 4. Now, if this had happened before, the answer would be no solution, because before we did not know how to deal with imaginary numbers. But this is nothing more than 3 plus or minus the square root of negative 1 times the square root of 39, which is not simplifiable, over 4, or 3 plus or minus I square root of 39 over 4. And that's my answer. All right? Just simplifying the radical when it's negative. All right, let's look at one more example, and that should do it for the year. I might have misspoke because we might just have one more video after this. All right, anyway, let's do this one. Opposite of b, 4, plus or minus the square root, b squared, negative 4 times negative 4 is positive 16, minus 4 times 1, 4ac times 13, all over 2 times 1. We have 4 plus or minus the square root of 16 minus 4 times 13 is 52, all over 2. And 16 minus 52 is 36, square root of, negative 36, all over 2, or 4 plus or minus square root of I square root of 36 over 2. And we have 4 plus or minus square root of 36 is 6. Square root of I, oops, my bad. I was thinking ahead. This is the square root of negative 1, not the square root of I. 6 times I over 2. And we can simplify this. Divide this by 2, and by 2. And we get 2 plus or minus 3i. And we're done. All right. There's, I guess, like I said, I misspoke. We will probably have one more short video, but that will also help us prepare for the semester exam. All right, have a great day, and I'll talk to you later.